About how can you add campaign speakers on your Amazon Alexa app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. You just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You will find here campaign speakers here. Just click on it here. So when you just click here on campaign speaker, it's going to take you to this list until you select mute home music or home tutor here, or here can you add stereo pair here. So can you select one of this here. I'm going to click on metro music here. So but here you have to enable locate here to any complete speakers on this network. When you add it, you click on next and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,